Hello everybody, welcome back for more Monster Train 2. We are going to, we're just going to go again. Like, we could do the dimensional portal stuff, you know, I don't really care. I don't care, I want to play with my boy Bullet. And I would like to pair him with... Now, let's do the Lunar Coven. I don't know how I feel about these two paired together, but we need to level up the Lunar Coven. I at least want to get a run with each of the champions in, you know. Advance and propagate. Oh, another advancer. New moon ascend, full moon descend. This one I like. Regen and +1. Oh wait, shit, I didn't change my Pyre heart. Crap. Oh, actually, you know what? That's fine. That's fine. I don't necessarily know if that's the one I'd want to be using, but... yeah, we're gonna take this. This is great. So that's gonna make no sense right now, but we'll get there. On Slay, friendly units propagate, or on Siphon, spawn 2. Give me the Siphon spawn 2, you know? Titan Skin 1 sucks, but I'm gonna take it. The early money is important. The Pyre can take the beating. Okay, how does the spell work? It's just spawn 1. Okay, cool. So you go there. You go there. You go there. Oh, look, this is our new floor, too. We got the new floor unlocked. Okay. I will now proceed to show you the gimmick. Bam. There he is. And ready? Bam! There he is again. And this is going to do nothing no matter who I do it to. But I'm going to do it anyway. So, the way that these lovely little fellas work... Oh, crap, we're at Vengeful Shard level already. Okay, so every time we spawn another one, instead of creating a new troop, it joins the stack. So, every time he gets, what is it? Looks like 6-5? Or 5-6, rather? Pretty good. Anyway, we'll play the Vengeful Shard just to get it out of there. I'm a little bit worried about these backliners. But it's fine. You'll take out one of them. Again, it doesn't do anything. It does nothing. Now, the other good thing is we can afford to take some expensive spells. This is Ascend, which is bad. What I can do, though, is give him a friend. 2 friends. There we go. Now they're both dead. Advance. Okay. Things are good. How we doing? We winning? We're winning. We're kicking ass. Quite possibly even taking names. But as you can probably see, Titan Skin, very bad for the current build. Also, I need to turn this down a little bit. It is very loud in my ears. I had my computer set up on listen to things mode. On Resolve, Gate, Regen 1, and Propagate. That's pretty good. Propagate 2 on all units is even better. Deal 5 damage, and maybe apply Dazed. Yeah, we could use a damaging spell. Okay, I definitely think we want a new Underlegion unit. I love the Underlegion. Ooh, I love both of these guys. So he's just his own tank, and he keeps making his own fungi. And this guy's a big wall that applies decay. And decay fucking hurts. So, like, what? On Resolve, that's 15 just off rip. But I think I want the Cluster Kernel. I think I'd be happy with you. I don't really want any of these. I need damage. Okay, now this could be interesting, actually. Because this will let us get another unit on the floor. Now that I think about it, dual sim probably would have been better. Conduit I don't really care about. We're going to purge a cheeky witch weave. Not the biggest... I mean, look. I know I took them as the side thing, but I'll be real. I pretty much only took them because I couldn't do raw fungi. I would definitely have done raw fungi. Now, this one's scary and a little bit bad, but we're going to do it anyway. Again, because we can take the damage if we need to. Okay, we go you. We go you. See, now we got an extra spot down here. I think we put you up here. And you here. And then we just kind of see where things take us. 4 is a lot. I need to do a lot of spawning to save you. I think I'm going to do this. Ah, shit, you're going straight to the top, huh? Hold on. Yeah, I will pop this now. Fuck, it's not going to be enough, though. We're going to take a lot of damage here. Like, a lot more than I would like to, for sure. Okay, this is great, though. Cool, we got the descent going. So let's start by just popping one of you motherfuckers. I'm going to descend you. Actually, I'm just going to straight up murder you. So 1 is getting through. We might just need to let the 1 get through here, sadly. We will do the double propagate. We'll do the proliferate. There we go. Now we're killing a few of them. And we're taking 4. 4 is fine. 4 is doable. Owie. We pop the Vengeful. Gravity does not really matter. I mean, I guess I could shove you up, right? As an extra backup floor. Yeah, I feel like it's better down here. I might give you a little bit of healing. Fuck that guy. Yeah, I am sending you up. Who cares? I don't. Now. I mean, it doesn't really matter, does it? Propagate. I'm just going to cast out for the sake of casting out, I guess. Goodbye, my regen. And goodbye, big fella. We took 10. 10 is a totally fine amount to lose. It really is. Who we got? Consume spawn 4. I mean, look, I just feel like this is better. I mean, Lone Coat's pretty neat as well. So, essentially, this will give regen 3 and 3 extra goobers. You know, we will take a Lone Coat. Yeah, we'll skip these. Merchant of Arms could be interesting. So we will go for this. Reroll. Ooh, that's kind of interesting. The last spell played on this floor is played again. So if we just drop the, like, glow up or something. It's spicy. Lone Coat we don't actually want to draw in the equipment phase. No, I am going to grab this. I've never seen this before. And what's in the alcove? Something good, I hope. It is the portal. Ooh, hold on. I mean... we could get 2 of them on the bottom floor. It'd make a hell of a tanky floor. But then we'd be lacking in damage a little bit. Honestly? Give me the Colonel. I do quite like the Colonel. And having 2 of them on one floor is a pretty decent setup as is. I didn't check what the bosses were. You're kind of spooky. Apply Corruption 1 on death to the unit that killed it. That sounds awful. When hit, create a fleshling. Okay, that sucks. But the good thing is they're all going to generate straight onto the goobers at the front. I can't pop this in the thingy phase. That sucks. I also put him on the wrong floor. That's fine. Middle floor is going to be that floor, I guess. So I can split the party a bit here. Which I don't necessarily think is a terrible idea. Oh, you can have that. 4 damage and whatever. Yeah, no, I think I'm good with where things are. Okay, now things are a little bit worse. You're dying, you're fine. It's very annoying and confusing that you somehow got the corruption. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. Shit, I can no longer cast this on this floor. You can have 1 health. Why didn't I play the Vengeful Shard, you idiot? Okay, this is fine. This is where I actually want you to be. Great. Okay, so you can go there. Are we on full moon? We are on full moon. Your ass is getting dazed. I think I'm just going to straight up use this here. I am going to do this, and then this, and then we'll purge that there. Cool, Daze is gone. 1 bell is fine. Wait, you were supposed to be dazed! It didn't work like I thought it was going to do. You now get this. And Proliferate is an even better spell. Oh wait, these don't actually hurt me, they just are very annoying. Look at that stack right there. We didn't even build that stack, that's all them. But I'm gonna keep buffing up the bottom stack instead. Yeah. And we'll get an extra one out of them as well, of course. Okay, I think this room was a good idea. How are we doing? We winning? We are absolutely thrashing them. Propagate him. No, deal 5 damage. And then it'll cast another one of them down there. Look at that. Not so good for the damaging spells, I guess. But the floors are kind of working. I can't deny that fact. Consume, spawn 3, apply armor equal to fungi equal to 4 times the troop. My god. Oh, New Moon gain Titan Skin 5 is kind of crazy good, but give me the fungi in a suit. Look at him, he's so goddamn happy. And, oh my god, do I? Do I dare? Nah, I think we skip. I really want the draw, but give me the 2 extra. I feel like we can do more with the 2 extra. I also need more fungi units, but I ain't gonna fucking get them, so we're going here instead. Ah, here we go. Siphon spawn 2 troop, add 2 health per stack. That's fine. This is what I want, the permanent buff, which is this one. Now, unfortunately, we didn't get it right off rip, which means we're not going to get the super good one. Okay, what do you got? This is what I wanted. can have that. We will reroll. Multi-strike is also quite good. But on what? I don't know. I think we just remove something. Remove a spear. Then we'll get out of here. I don't think we want to duplicate any of this. Oh wait, probably the proliferate actually. Proliferate's great. We definitely need to start cutting this deck down. Drawing one less is terrible. Doesn't mean I'm not going to do it, but it is terrible. Okay, so we start with you. Then you. Then you. And then we'll put you up here. Okay, so. We definitely just kill the guy in the back. No questions. Boom. Boom. You're not dead, which is bad. Take that. Okay, but this floor is going to be nigh unkillable. Okay, how do we go about this? I think we go you, and then you. You're probably going to get through, which is bad. But he's the only one of their kind that's going to get through, because the stack is big now. That's bad. I'm not going to be able to kill you, which is devastating for my confidence. Oh wait, we didn't even have the Echo Vault up yet. Hold on. Echo Vault, proliferate. Thank you. I'll deal 1 damage to you, just because I can. Double proliferate. Yeah, removing consume off that would be big. Big, big, big. Okay, yeah, cool. All you guys are dead now. This is going to make a huge fucking fungi. Yeah, I say we just do it. 132 armor, yeah. Do it again for me. Just real quick, if you don't terribly mind. There you go. Yeah, cool. Good stack. Now, there are other units that I still want for this floor, believe it or not. I mean, I know it's working well, but not well enough. We just give you the glow up. We'll give you a shield steward, and we'll heal you. Also, I love how the stack gets bigger. Like, look at them. Look at how tall they are. That's a big-ass stack of mushies. You're cooked, right? Yeah. That is hell. Hold on. I mean, I could add to the chaos. I mean, it wouldn't actually do anything. Advance. Oh, shit. Well, we may as well use this. No reason to not take the extra damage. You know what? You can go down there. Fuck it. Why not? There's the extra. I mean, he's gaining permanent attack every time we do that, so. Now, don't get me wrong. We were getting sapped there, which wasn't great. But I don't think we were in any danger whatsoever. Fetch. With ephemeral to your hand. That's so cute. Oh. Ooh. To all units, I don't know how I feel about that. This one I kind of like, though. But I kind of like him. Hold on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, just give me the gold room. Ooh, you're kind of cool. But unfortunately, we're kind of leaning more mushmen. I want the... Damn it. I want the unit. Rally applied to K2 is kind of spicy, but I don't actually think I want either of these. Which is very upsetting to me. None of you guys do great damage either. I mean, I could get another small guy. I think I just remove stuff. And I'm sorry, but it's gonna be more of these stupid witch weaves. They're so bad without having the conduit. Don't get me wrong, there were a couple of times we could have picked up conduit, but... Also, I didn't look at these still. To your units each turn and doubles corruption on strike. Horrible, but we have a fantastic fucking build to counter that. Spikes fall, also we have a decent build for that. Okay, cool. We're actually kind of cruising. For what I want another proliferate. It's great. I love proliferate. Pendant prayer stone with big ol' spikies. We will take this. We go for Ballet. We go for you. Because now I want the extra rally triggers on you. And then we'll put you there. And here come the prayer stones. Hold on. I mean... Fucking we may as well, right? Do this now. Do this. Get mushies. Get mushies again. Fantastic. You're making it through. Now, these other floors are in a little bit of trouble, but... We're only really worried about the first floor. Oh, wait. Shit. We're gonna put the grow room down here, weren't we? I mean, we can work out the kinks later. Oh, you flew to the top. That's not good for my health. I mean, we're probably just gonna need to take the damage here, aren't we? Oh, you give people Titan skin. That kind of sucks. Let's go for the fucking proliferate. Nah, no, you can have that. Again, we can take a little bit of damage. We can fix the damage later. You're dying, right? You're not dying. That's terrible news. You're actually going to do a lot of damage. Which is kind of worrying. But there's also kind of nothing I can really do about it right now, so... You're evening out. We gotta keep putting you here. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, we're alive. They're all dead. Very important. I mean, yeah, we just do that. Okay, so this one didn't go very well for us. He's gonna make it up, but again, I don't really care too much about that. Also, this was a pretty tricky trial, in fairness. Cool, we do this. We do this. We do this to get 2 of them. And we go. We got it! That's my boy right there. And this guy's just absolutely cooked. Schmack him. What we need, though, is a bit of trample. And there is this particular unit that I'm looking for. It's not you. Ooh. Yeah, actually, you might be. Well, I don't know if I've seen this card before either. Yeah, I'm taking you. And I think I'm going to skip you. We need... trinkets? Yeah, trinkets. And the healing is probably the more important one, to be honest. Cool. I will take the steward's quarters, because we are kind of having a train steward floor. You might think I want this one, but I kind of don't. Scatter any number of cards and then draw that many is amazing. It'll kind of make sure we always get what we want. I can only discard one, huh? Well, it's gonna be you then. Oh, wait. Hold on. Done discarding. Oh, what? Huh. Well, that's a bit quirky. I wasn't quite expecting that. Well, let's get building on our train steward floor. Okay, there's our conscript. Honestly, Echo Vault, conscript. Do this. Vengeful Shard. I'm going to deal 5 damage to you, I guess. And then proliferate. Proven. Okay, cool. There's one of these. And honestly, I think I am just going to swap this out for the grow. Oh, then again, getting another unit's quite nice. Wow, you are gaining a lot. That's bad. My little friend here does indeed have quite a lot of spikes now. I'm gonna need to pop both of these. 422, yeah. I don't think there's gonna be much I can do for you necessarily, so I'm just gonna do that. Like, he can come back. The other guy's not so much. Also, this sucks, actually. I thought it was gonna be better. Nope, that does not save the train steward floor. In fact, it kind of fucked it. Because I have the shield steward. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at the rest of my hand first. And pay attention. And then do one of these. They're all still dying. Okay, never mind. And you're going to cause me to take a lot of damage. I do hate the fucking spike one. I really do. We almost lost. Oh yeah, this will help. Do this. Do this. And schmack, schmack, schmack. Get decayed. Ah, your jacket, sir. And then you can have one of these. And I don't know, fuck this guy, I guess. It's something! I gotta buff up my train stewards more. Oh, really? 2 shards? I can't believe I drew them both in the same fucking turn. Wow, that's a lot of triggers. Yeah, no, you're done for. Yeah, cool. I'll just end. I don't want to overcomplicate it. Now, do we want the energy or the I think we might want the energy. I do like the Spike of the Legion. Give me the energy. Now, we need some health. And we ain't gonna get it. But what we are gonna get is more unit upgrades. And there we go. We're gonna make Bullet much tankier. Remove 2 cards. 1, 2. Thank you very much. Okay. Multi-strike. Okay. Oh, right. We can't get Valor, can we? This ain't the right build for that. Well, that's enough, I guess. I mean, we could remove something. Maybe one of the conscripts. I feel like 25 cards is kind of the sweet spot. And you know what? I was going to say I'm not going to take it, but I am. You know what? I'm setting up on the top floor. I don't think I should be, but I'm going to be. And then you can come here. I feel like this fight won't be too bad for that. So we do this. We don't actually have any of the guys we need. But we will. And there they are. That's horrible. We do this. We do this. We do this. So we can't kill them, but we can make you take a less. I really need my buddy here, is the problem. I mean, that's a good start, but... Yeah, no, you're still dead. Still dead? Still dead. Okay. We're gonna restart this time. Middle floor's abandoned. Sorry to say. It happens. We spawn one. We do this. We go. I mean, I should still play this just to get it out, right? Okay, these guys are good. Yep, these guys are fine. Yeah, I'm going to kick your ass back down. I'm going to then play you. You're not... Don't you have quick? No, you've got multi-strike. Kick your ass down too. It's something. I mean, here's a shield for you. Does that help? Nope, should have given him the quick. Proliferates. What if I had a buddy? Does not help. Cool, I'm just gonna get this out. Oh, play a room card on all floors in one battle. Ain't that nice? I'm a little bit worried about this one. How you guys doing? So we definitely have one living here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move you down. I've got 2 living here. How are you living at the front? Exactly. Okay, I'm going to do this. Now, I need something big next turn. I did not get it, though. Okay, well, I can kill that one. I can die. And this is why you set up on the bottom. Can I just restart this battle? No, not gonna happen. So the guy we were missing would have given our fungi stack trample. And you can probably imagine how that would have been helpful. But unfortunately, we didn't get it. That's why I was fishing so hard. Oh, well, you know what? I think that's our first on-video loss, besides the tutorial one, but that doesn't count. Apply decay equal to 5 times sap. Eh. First time each card a spell with consume is played, draw one. That's pretty good. Mage Blade 2, Full Moon Sweep. You're kinda crazy good. New moon effects are always active. Silent units gain plus 15 damage on resolve. That's also pretty good. Pyre Hard unlocked. Oh, look at that. The Life Mother's Pyre. Has the option to copy cards. Oh, that's kind of cool. My besties finally found their way back. I was about to get bored. Now the real fun begins. I'm sorry to say, I know exactly who those are, and your stupid little thing already spoiled it for me. Phil, the perimeter alarm went off again. Seems like it's another attack. We're ready for them this time. Everyone, get to your positions. Defend the pyre. Wait, look at what's coming. Is that the Bone Shaker? It is the Bone Shaker, and it's coming. Quick, get back. That old train still got it in her. Well, well, if it isn't a nice little reunion, didn't think I'd be seeing you again, Herzl. Hornbreaker, how? I thought you were dead. I could say the same about you. You've been gone longer than us, in fact. The others have been looking forward to seeing you. It's the OG factions. Where's the Wormkin, though? It is good to see you again, Herzl, and it's nice to feel the warmth of the pyre once more. We fought the last divinity while you were gone. If only you were there to see it. Now I'm back to kick some more Titan butt. Why, I must say I love what you've done with the place while we were gone. I am hungry. Come no closer, Angel. I understand your distrust, but I'm not your enemy. I'm on your side now. Herzl, is this true? It is true. Hooray. It is a her. Okay. Her efforts brought the rest of Hell together against the Titans. Without her, Hell would have been destroyed. Very well. Fallen Angel it is then. Your horns suit you well. How did you make it back? I saw it with my own eyes. The Titans destroyed the Bone Shaker, and you all along with it. We were not destroyed, but sent into a vast void. We drifted there endlessly until we heard the pyre call to us. It led us back here. Apologies for the hot entrance. We caused quite a commotion when we landed back in heaven. The pyre has many mysteries. Perhaps it was able to reach past the Titan's influence. It called to you, and it reached past the Titans. Herzl, I want to try something. It may be what we need to win this war. We unlocked their Hellhorn. They're imps and warriors. Wait. We only unlocked the Hellhorn? Oh, we still need to... Okay. We still got to get everything else. That'll be easy. That'll be a little bit trickier, actually. Reanimate or reform. I think we need the Lazarus League to do that. And that'll be a while because I don't use much equipment. Anyway, for now, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.